A long time ago, in a quiet village, there lived a wise teacher named Master Lin. People from near and far came to him for advice because he was known for his great wisdom and kind guidance. One bright morning, as birds chirped in the trees, a young student named Rio arrived at Master Lin's simple home. Rio was eager to learn about wisdom and believed that his knowledge and intelligence would help him understand quickly. Rio greeted Master Lin with confidence and said, "Master, I have come to learn from you." Master Lin smiled and nodded. But as Rio began to talk, he spoke non-stop about his own knowledge, ideas, and achievements. He barely gave Master Lin a chance to speak. Seeing this, Master Lin calmly suggested they have tea. He picked up a teapot and poured tea into a cup. He kept pouring until the tea overflowed, spilling onto the table and the floor. "Stop! The cup is full!" Rio shouted in surprise. Master Lin looked at him with a gentle smile and said, "Yes, just like this cup. Your mind is already full of thoughts and opinions. If you want to learn, you must first empty your cup." Rio's eyes widened as he understood the lesson. He bowed respectfully to Master Lin, realizing that true learning begins with an open and humble mind. This story reminds us to stay open to new ideas and be willing to change our thinking. As we grow older, we gather knowledge and experiences, but sometimes this makes it hard to accept different views. To truly learn, we must listen with an open heart, even if we don't agree at first. Understanding others starts with an empty cup.